Hello, Dolly. Hey, Dolly. Peekaboo. Where am I? Here I am, Peekaboo. Peekaboo, Dolly. Yes, say hello. Hello, Peekaboo, where I'm here now. Look at me being a funny person. Hey, Dolly. Oh, a pitter patter of little feet. Here comes your sister, your fur baby sister. So, Dolly, you just started talking. I did cover you up because you were having a nap, and then you said, "Hey, I'm not really asleep. I want to be up and I want to watch my TV." Is that right, Dolly? Yeah. So you're not talking now? Well, you're funny. You're a funny girl if you're not going to talk now. Peekaboo, hello. I'm hiding behind the phone. I know the phone does disturb you and stops you from talking, but we have to get through this, Dolly, if you want to say hello to the good people. Because the good people are kind of watching you from the phone. Yeah, Dolly. The good people that like to say hello. Well, they're here. Oh, there's your mummy. Is your mummy coming? You say hello, mummy. There's your mummy. I'm Nanny. I'm not mummy. Oh, look. She's doing a little love dance to her mummy. Oh, that's cute. Can't see it, just. Oh, say hello, mummy. It's quite rare to see actually when they do their little. Now I can't actually do that love dance with her. That's her mummy, Alex. It's so lovely when she's in this sweet mood. So, she just twirls her head and she just loves it. Yeah. You love your mummy, darling. So it's not all about talking and squawking. There's a lot involved here. There's a lot of emotions. Dolly is. Let's look at that. So she's learning not to bite because she does like a scratch. And we've come a long way. There was a time when we used to have lots of bitten little fingers. Uh-huh. Um, ah. She's had enough. That's cute. Thank you, Dolly, for showing us your beautiful little love dance. And we could say goodbye to the good people and have a wonderful day. She's talking to her mummy. Her mummy's not in camera shot, but her mummy's just sort of there. You can see it's her mummy's hand. Bye-bye. Oh, she's off now. Where's she going?
She's saying goodbye.
Oh, she's going to you to say goodbye down there. All right, guys. Well, thank you for sharing this little moment with us of Dolly's love dance and a bit of Dolly time. And have a great day. Oh, what did she do there?
I think she fell.
Oh, no. She's up here, over here now. Oh, where's she going? What's happening? Is she okay?
I think she got a little embarrassed.
Oh, did she get embarrassed? Oh, she wants to dance. Okay, I'm just looking around the cat.
She's like winding up the screen.
Yeah. Oh, she probably wants a treat, because I haven't given her a treat since I've been home. And
there it is.
there it is. There it is. I will put a sound warning on here because she's out of the blue. Okay. You know what she wants? She wants a treat. And I'll go get her some mandarin. Sounds good. Yep. That's what we're going to do right now. All right, bye, guys. Have a great day. Hey, Dolly, you want to say goodbye, good people? No? You're just going to wait for your treat. Okay. She knows the word treat means something's coming. So she's like thinking, okay, where's my treat? I'll eat my seed, but where's my treat? Coming right up, Dolly. All right, bye, guys. Take care.